Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G51. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. We need to wait for this one to download, but over here we can click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow right away. Then we need to do exactly the same on an Android. So accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then select receive on Motorola and send on an Android. Following that, tap on all of those dots and just send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one photo, just send and tap on get it. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Motorola, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and following that, choose receive. And now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!